GCE Ordinary Level June 2024 Question 10. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial session on Math with Ella. So we are going to solve this question which reads, solve the pair of simultaneous equations x minus 2y equal 5 and 3x plus y equal 8. So in solving simultaneous equations, there are various methods that one can apply. We have the elimination method, the substitution method, the matrix method, and even the graphical method. So feel free to use any method you're comfortable with, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use the substitution method. So going by the substitution method, we first have to label our equations, equation 1 and equation 2, because we'll be referring to them as we go along. So from equation 1, we are going to make x the subject of the formula. From equation 1, we are going to have x equal to 5 plus 2y. That is, we've taken the negative 2y to the right hand side, and when negative crosses the equal sign, it becomes a positive. So let's call this equation 3. Now you substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So you take this expression which you have for x from equation 3 and then we substitute that into equation 2 and we obtain 3. Instead of x, we are going to put this expression 5 plus 2y plus y is equal to 8. So we've done a substitution here, and that's why this method is called a substitution method. That is, you express one of the variables in terms of the order from one equation, and then you take that expression and you substitute into the other equation. That's exactly what we've done here. We've made x the subject from equation 1 and we've substituted that value, that expression for x, into equation 2. That's the other equation. Now from here we have a linear equation in terms of y only. All we need to do is to simplify and then we get the value of y. So simplifying this, we are going to have 15 plus 6y plus y is equal to 8. So I've opened up the bracket. 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 2y is 6y, and then plus y equal 8. And we are going to obtain 15 plus 7y is equal to 8. 7y is equal to 8 minus 15. So here we've taken the 15 to the right hand side. It's a positive 15. So when it crosses, it becomes negative. And here 7y is equal to negative 7. Dividing both sides by 7, we obtain y equal to negative 1. So that's the value of y we've gotten, and since we already know the value of y, we can get the value of x. Substituting y equal negative 1 into equation 3, we're going to have x being equal to 5 plus 2 into negative 1. This value of y which we obtained, we substitute it into equation 3 here, and then we simplify to get the value of x. That will imply that x is equal to 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2, and then 5 plus negative 2 is 5 minus 2, and that gives us 3. So we have the values for x and y as x. Therefore, we have the solution set x equal 3 and y equal negative 1. So those are the values of x and y that satisfy the simultaneous equations that we're given. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider following our page and kindly share it so that this knowledge can reach out to as many students and learners as possible. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.